So we are out here, Nick Mad One. It is a Saturday morning. Yes, I overslept and it is now 10:30, but run we must. What are you doing with your life on this beautiful Saturday morning? Let's get it. Before we embark on this run, what do you think the color of the day is? You get one guess. The plan of the day, very simple. Just get 5Ks in the legs. I'm not talking about speed or anything. Just get it done. Whew. Yo, I got so into the run, I put my phone away and I stopped recording. Here. It was done, everybody. Saturday morning. It is beautiful. A little bit windy out on this Valentine's Day. Share it with your loved ones. Take a walk on the Seapoint Promenade or in a nice park nearby. You've got this, man. It's a beautiful day. Let's